Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious soya chili. First, rehydrate your soya chunks by soaking them in hot water for about 15 minutes. Once soft, squeeze out all the excess water thoroughly. This step is crucial for texture. Next, gather and chop your vegetables, including bell peppers, onions, garlic, and ginger, preparing them for the cooking process. Now, heat a little oil in a pan and lightly fry the rehydrated soya chunks. Cook them until they turn a beautiful golden brown, which gives them a fantastic texture. Once fried, remove them from the pan and set them aside. This prepares the soya to absorb all the wonderful flavors we'll be adding next. Next, in the same pan, sauté your chopped garlic, ginger, and green chilies until they become fragrant. Then, add the sliced onions and bell peppers, cooking them until they are tender crisp. In a separate bowl, combine soy sauce, chili sauce, and a dash of vinegar to create the flavorful base for your soya chili. Finally, add the fried soya chunks back into the pan with your sautéed vegetables and the prepared sauce. Toss everything gently to ensure the soya chunks are evenly coated and heated through. Serve your delicious soya chili hot, perhaps garnished with some fresh spring onions. For an amazing home upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.